Ntoskrnl.exe BSOD error, Pro fixes of 2025. The Ntoskrnl.exe BSOD error occurs due to problems related to the Windows kernel, which manages essential functions like memory, processes, and hardware. This error can result from hardware issues, corrupted drivers, or system files. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. 1. Check for Windows updates. Why * outdated Windows versions can cause system instability. How *, go to Settings Windows Update and click Check for Updates. -2. Update device drivers. Why * corrupted or outdated drivers can trigger BSODs. How *, right-click Start Device Manager. Expand sections like display adapters and network adapters. Right-click each device and choose Update Driver. -3. Run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM. Why * fix corrupted system files. How * type CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Run these commands one by one. sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/restore health-4. Check for memory issues. Why * faulty RAM can cause BSOD errors. How * type Windows Memory Diagnostic in the search bar and run it. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. -5. Test hardware components. Why * failing hardware like hard drives and GPUs can cause BSODs. How * use third-party tools like Crystal Disk Info for disk health or run chkdsk, chkdsk/f/r-6. Perform a clean boot. Why * prevents third-party software conflicts. How * type misconfig in the search bar and open System Configuration. Under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and disable all items. -7. System Restore. Why * roll back to a stable state. How * type System Restore in the search bar. Follow the prompts to restore to a previous restore point. -8. Reinstall Windows, last resort. Why * fix persistent issues by reinstalling the OS. How * backup data and use Reset this PC in Settings System Recovery. If the issue persists, consider checking hardware compatibility, BIOS settings, and consulting a professional technician. Would you like more detailed steps on any of these fixes?